Have you ever wished that your money could stretch further? As we face the challenges of climate change and rising energy costs, we have a unique window of opportunity to demonstrate our commitment to sustainable living and environmental responsibility. By installing solar panels on our campus here in Softley, we can significantly reduce our carbon footprint, decrease operational costs, and contribute to the wider community. This project aligns with our theological concern for creation care and integrates with our existing work to become more sustainable, whether improved recycling facilities, TRVs on radiators, low energy lighting, or even harnessing the power of the sun here on the South Coast. Thanks to the incredible generosity of a private donor, we have secured match funding for up to £60,000 of the total project cost. This means that every pound you donate will be doubled. We cannot do this without you. Your support is so crucial in helping us reach this target and making the vision a reality. Join us in creating a God-honouring legacy of environmental stewardship. Your generous contribution will help Moorlands College lead by example and hopefully inspire others to care for creation too. We will also not only reduce energy costs, but also be able to reinvest savings into where it's needed most. Accessible, high-quality, transformative theological training. You can help us by giving today. No amount is too small to be doubled so that we can complete this transformative project. Thank you so much for your ongoing support.